Welcome back to Our Place in the Sun. Today we're jumping aboard one of Torrevieja's most iconic attractions, the famous tourist salt train. In just a few minutes you'll glide past shimmering white mountains of salt, learn how the century-old industry shaped the town, and catch stunning views of the pink lagoon that makes Torrevieja truly unique. So settle in, this is a sunny little journey that is about to show you a side of the Costa Blanca that most visitors never get to see. Next, we're stepping inside one of Torrevieja's most lively spots for fun nights out, the Ozone Bowling Centre. It's bright, colourful and packed with that holiday energy that we all love. Whether you're here for family, with friends or just fancy testing your aim after a day in the sun, this place delivers plenty of laughs. The neon lights, the clatter of the pins and the friendly buzz around the lanes make it a brilliant break from the beach. So grab your shoes, pick your lanes and see who can actually bowl straight and who is destined for the gutter. Dive in and enjoy a bit of Costa Blanca fun. Down and taking you to one of Torrevieja's most charming green escapes, the Park of the Nations. Right in the heart of town, this peaceful spot is a favourite for families, walkers and anyone who wants a breather from the busy seafront. You'll find wide open lanes, shady pathways and the famous shaped lake like the map of Europe, a quirky little landmark that always gets people talking. With ducks, geese and the occasional peacock wandering about like it's running the place, it's a perfect mix of nature, calm and Costa Blanca sunshine. Take a wander and see for yourselves why this park is such a loved part of Torrevieja life. Next, we head out of Torrevieja and the beach for the bustle and the adrenaline of the Quesada Go-kart track, one of the most exciting spots in the area for a bit of fun and friendly competition. This place has everything from tight corners, long straights and karts that will give you just enough speed to feel like you're a racing legend without sacrificing your life. Whether you're here with family, friends, or just fancy proving you're the fastest on four wheels, it's guaranteed for fun the moment you're strapped into the seat. So hitting the track, test your skills, and see who can keep it clean and who's about to spin out spectacularly. Let's go racing. Next, we dive headfirst into one of Torrevieja's most exciting family attractions, the water park or the Aquopolis, where sunshine, slides and a whole lot of laughter come guaranteed. This place is packed with everything you need for a proper summer day out. Twisting flumes, high-speed drops, lazy rivers, splash zones for the little ones and plenty of space to relax if you're more of a sun lounger than a thrill seeker. The atmosphere is pure Costa Blancan fun, bright colours, warm weather and that holiday bus that hits you the moment you walk in. Go explore the sides, soak up the sunshine and see how brave you're feeling. Let's jump in. Then we move on to explore 3 of Torrevieja's best beaches, each offering something a little bit different for the perfect Costa Blanca day out. From the lively buzz of Playa del Cura with its palm line promenade, easygoing holiday vibe, to the narrow golden sands of Playa de Aquilon, ideal for swimming, sunbathing in the sheltered waters and soaking up the Mediterranean warmth. And finally, the calm, family-friendly feel of Playa de Nueces, where the fun inflatables are out and the sea seems to slow everything down. Whether you're after food, fun, or a quiet spot to unwind, these beaches show exactly why Torrevieja is a loved spot by the locals. So take a wander and find out your perfect seaside escape. And finally, we're heading out on one of the best day trip adventures you can do from Torrevieja, hopping on the ferry and sailing across the Mediterranean to the beautiful small island of Tabarca. It's a short scenic journey that gives you gorgeous views of the coastline, sea breeze in your face and that unmistakable feeling of holiday freedom. Once you arrive, you're stepping into a tiny island full of charm, crystal clear waters, quiet coasts, fresh seafood restaurants and narrow streets that make you feel like they've barely changed in decades. So grab your sun cream, settle in on the deck and let's enjoy a perfect Costa Blanca escape.
Beside the sea where soft winds play, Torrevieja wakes with golden light. Morning hums in the fisherman's bay, a chorus of gulls in effortless flight. The market stalls a painter's dream, olives gleam in jars of jade. Voices weave like a flowing stream, a melody in the sun-drenched shade. The salt lagoons in hue so rare, blush pink beneath the twilight's glow. Their whispered waves breathe summer air, a silent dance, a tranquil show. And when the evening fades to blue, tapas share their season tale. Laughter spills